Hey guys, so in today's video, I am actually going to show you how to make a caramel frappuccino. It took maybe about, I want to say, 3 tries to get it to taste right. It tastes pretty good. Okay, so first off, you're going to need a cup to put your frappuccino in. And these are all the ingredients that you are going to need to make this frappuccino. You will need also a blender, a pot to boil your hot water in, a small cup to mix the espresso in the water, some measuring spoons, some whipped cream. You will also need some milk. You will need an ice tray filled with ice cubes. I'd suggest 2, some espresso mix, the caramel syrup from Starbucks. You will also need the Starbucks creamer, the caramel macchiato. You will also need some Hershey syrup. And so now you can see that I am actually boiling some water. What you're gonna do is you need to boil just 4 tablespoons of water. You're gonna put a tablespoon of espresso mix in the cup, and then you're also going to add the 4 tablespoons of boiled hot water. And once you are done with that, you're gonna go ahead and start mixing the espresso and the hot water together. Make sure that you are careful when you mix this, because I am actually just really messy. And you're just gonna make sure that it's completely mixed. You're gonna add your ice cubes into the blender next. I use about 2 trays of ice cubes for this. And once the ice cubes are in there, I actually pour the espresso mix. As you can see, you probably want to pour it in faster than I did, so you don't have any spill out. Next, you're gonna pour in some milk. So I kind of just eyeball this. I don't really have a measuring sort of way I do. I just kind of pour it in and hope for the best. Same with the creamer. I kind of do it for a couple seconds. And the same with the caramel syrup, you're gonna do that for a couple seconds and then stop. And then I just add some caramel syrup for flavor. You don't have to if you don't want to. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. And then you're just gonna go ahead, put the top back on, and you are now going to be blending your Frappuccino. And now that your Frappuccino is blended, which make sure it's blended, like blend it for, about 30 seconds to a minute. So what I would suggest doing first, which I forgot to show here, is drizzle some caramel syrup around the sides and then pour your Frappuccino mix in there. Then go ahead and add the whipped cream and then also add the caramel syrup on top. And after you do that, you have a nice, beautiful caramel frappuccino. It might take you a couple tries to perfect your way of doing it, but I love this homemade frappuccino.